how to make money with Trustpilot for beginners. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to make money with Trustpilot for beginners. Alright, so let's begin. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Trustpilot on your phone. Then from over here, you're going to go ahead, go to this option of become a verified reviewer. Tap on this. Here, tap on get started. So you have to simply get verified first to be a verified reviewer so you can earn money. So we can tap on let's go, and we're going to allow, and we're going to simply choose take a photo of our document photo page, and we're going to simply take a photo with it, and we're going to attach it. Once we have verified ourselves, we're going to go back and we're going to simply start choosing our category from which you would like to verify them. Once you have chosen that one, we're going to simply go ahead, choose the one that is available for us, and we're going to start writing a review for them. You can see once we have wrote them the particular review, including the stars, we're going to tap on next, and per review count, we will start getting the money regarding it. So for that, once we are in the review, we're going to tap and get started to search companies for right. Once we have got that, we start reviewing them and we can start adding their reviews. And once we have had a certain amount added on our reviews, we will be asked to add our payment method for us to start receiving on it. And the other thing that you can do is, if you want to learn more and if it's not working out yet for you, you're going to go to your profile section and you're going to go to this option of how Trustpilot works, so you can check it out. And if there are any further things that you have to do, is you're going to go ahead, check that out, and you can start doing it. So that's basically how you can make money with Trustpilot for beginners. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.